Doug.
And I'm Cathy.
This is Maggie Mae. Join us as we follow the moon. Today, after we've been in our new coach for about a year, we wanted to share with you some of the things that we have added and changed, some great accessories, and ways that have just made our life more simple, more safe, and more comfortable, right?
Absolutely.
So, join us as we share some of these things with you. Now, one of the greatest part of camping and RV life is outdoors. And we thought a little table and chairs might be a nice thing, especially when you're in a place with no picnic table. These came from IKEA. They fold flat and they were very, very inexpensive. These we just picked up. I got a nice padded, comfortable chair. We've got two of the little flat folding plastic tables. We have a two-person love seat, has cup holders in both ends, and it also has a matching coffee table or ottoman, depending how you want to use it, with cup holders in it. And Maggie has her little special bed there too. When you're not using them and you want to keep them dry over the rain showers, they will fold up and tuck right along underneath your slide out, and it keeps them nice.
And where does Maggie sit?
In the grass. But she's safe because she's on a long lead, and we've got this vinyl coated lead. We either hook it over the bottom of the ladder or the steps at the front, depending upon where it works best. Now, she likes her pool, and that pool keeps her cool on these hot days. But when she's not in the pool, she's over on her little bed. When she gets dry, she likes to sit there and watch for the other dogs to go by, or the occasional squirrel. Now, that pool kind of ties into something else. We got a new shower head, and it is the type that oxygenate the water, so you get more pressure out of a low flow. And this one actually has 5 positions. I like the regular faucet like what we had. It's a like a rain type pressure. Cathy liked a little bit more force, and so several of these settings are a little bit stronger.
That one's a massage.
And it's on a 6-foot long hose rather than a 5-foot, which makes it nice when it's bath time for Maggie. But that pool that you saw outside also makes it nice when it's bath time for Maggie.
We tried a couple of other things. We tried one of those collapsible
Inflatable.
tubs.
Oh, yeah.
The collapsible tub.
Mhm.
And it collapsed perfectly as soon as she would step on the side of it.
The little inflatable pools, they were a pain. And we ended up and got this. The sides are solid, so it stands up real well. But it does make a nice bathtub in the shower too.
Yes, it does. You just want to make sure you position the little drain hole, and we'll see that.
Now, that shower head does have a trigger on the back where you can have it on, off, or light pressure. Maggie's never been fond of her bath, but she always has liked going out and just getting a little wet in the pool. And so this has been a good addition because now she doesn't object to being in the bath.
One of the things I liked about this using this pool is you can see with all those little sections that you can form it around the shape of your tub. If you've got or your shower, if you've got a bigger shower with or without the seat, it makes it real easy.
Now there, Cathy just pulled the plug out of the bottom. No, don't worry, we'll fill it back up.
Yeah, I do push it over there so that I uncover the drain hole.
Yeah, you wouldn't want that just to overflow.
That's right.
Now this is another thing we added that are great. These are made by Shade, and these are their tire covers. They are the quickest, easiest. They just fold over themselves. They go into a small carry bag, and then when you're ready to set up, when you get to your campsite, they just hook over the top of the tire, the two side straps push down, and you're done. Now we also added a Ring doorbell, and we used the 3M command strips for the shower, so it would be weatherproof for the bracket. It just fits over the top of the bracket, and two little screws hold it in place when we're there. We take it off when we travel and plug it into the USB charger. Oh, somebody's at the door. It lets us know on our phone whether we're home or not if there's somebody there. Now a lot of people have asked about our internet setup. We use a MoFi 4500 with a Verizon SIM in it, but we are considering looking at the new 5500 that's out with a dual SIM for some more internet options. More on that to come. This was a great little find. This is a shoe organizer that just hangs on your closet rod, and you can store a lot of shoes in a very little amount of space.
That's right.
Unfortunately, you're going to see most of those are mine. Now when you're on the road, you definitely need a way to air up those RV tires. And there's a lot of great solutions out there, but I had another fella, in fact you may have seen Michael's channel, Michael and Shelley, our epic RV adventure. He turned me on to this. This is Bauer, which is Harbor Freight. This is an air compressor that will go up to 150 psi. Our tires are 110. It works great. You purchase this. It's not an expensive piece. Again, I'll have the link in the video below, or in the description below. And then you purchase one of their batteries. This one was the 5.0. They have three sizes. This was the largest, and I figured for pumping the bigger tires I should probably go with the bigger one. It simply slides into the unit. You set your pressure, you hook it up to your tire, and you can walk away. It will shut off when it reaches pressure. So it's a neat setup. And the other thing that you purchase when you get this is the charger for the battery, and I've got the rapid charger for it, so that gave me a full set. But since I already had the battery, the big battery and the rapid charger, next came this little blower. It only weighs about 2 or 3 pounds. It's very lightweight. You put the battery on it. It says it will force air up to 200 miles an hour. And it's perfect for blowing off the slide toppers, blowing off the roof, getting little pine straw out from underneath the solar panels. So, and it's for somebody that doesn't like going up and down the ladders, it's lightweight and it's easy to take up the ladder with you that way. So then I had two pieces. So it was time to replace the cordless drill, and I ended up and went with one of their cordless drills also. Same battery pack applies. So now I've got 3 of their accessories, all working off the same battery pack and charger. Again, saves pieces, saves weight, saves money, and made a really nice setup. Now this was something we picked up actually from a neighbor of ours when we were in Port Orange. And we'll put a link here to their site, but he does a lot of handcrafted things, and that little tray really has added a lot of splash of color to our living room.
It's beautiful. His work is amazing.
Now on the roof we have 2 of the exhaust fans, and we've put covers over both of those to protect them from the heat and from hail. And we've also put the little clip-on screens on the inside. This is our newest addition. This is a 2-way dash cam that records inside the motorhome as well as outside. It has a little GPS sensor on it, and when you plug it into your 12 volt, it turns it on automatically, and when you unplug it, it turns it off. So you'll see more footage coming from that very soon. Now our electrical bay, we've given a major upgrade to. We've put a new pigtail out of the existing transfer switch. That now goes into our power watchdog. The power watchdog goes into the auto former in case we have low voltage. That goes into a plug, and out of that plug is our shore power cord. So now everything is inside. Well, we hope we've given you some ideas. Again, everything that you've seen are products that we felt strongly enough about that we purchased at retail. None of them were given to us for testing or we are sponsored by. And we felt strongly enough about them that we wanted to share them with you. I will have links in the description below to these products if it's something you'd like to follow up with.
If you have some special things that you have picked up along the way that you have found to be extra beneficial to your journey, please be sure and share that in the comments below.
And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified when we have new content out. Normally every Friday at 9 a.m., but as you've seen the last few weeks, there's some special things that come out. And if you did like what you saw today, be sure and give us a thumbs up and like the video. We certainly appreciate that.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos listed. Also be sure to check out our blog at followthemoon.us, and also our Facebook page at Follow the Moon, and on Instagram at Follow the Moon Travel. Thanks.